next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 27, verse 19.
My Lord, enable me to be grateful for your favor, which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to do righteousness of which you approve. And admit me by your mercy into the ranks of your righteous servants.
The Holy Prophet Suleiman, peace be upon him, requests Allah, the Exalted, to provide him with the strength to be a truly grateful servant. This is one of the highest levels a person can reach, and it is a very rare station, according to the Holy Quran. Chapter 34, verse 13.
And few of my servants are grateful.
Being a grateful servant of Allah, the Exalted, is the reason why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, strived so hard in worshipping Allah, the Exalted, that his feet became swollen. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6471. The next part of this supplication teaches Muslims how to be truly grateful, which is to use each blessing one possesses in the way which is pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, which has been outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This proves that merely uttering words of praise is not true gratitude. Whenever a person encounters a difficulty and loses blessings, they should remember the countless blessings they still possess in order to remain patient and grateful. Finally, the importance of companionship is mentioned at the end of this supplication. It is important to note, if one desires the company of the righteous in the next world, they must accompany them and follow in their footsteps in this world. This is the proof of one's love for the righteous, and it is this proof which the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3688, when he declared that people will be with those they love in the next world. If one merely claims love without this proof, they will not end up with the righteous in the next world. A Muslim should not fool himself, believing otherwise.